Starting around 18 November 2023, Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense truly is exchanging at $0.3058 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.78% in decently most recent 60 minutes, which certainly essentially is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. Polis basically in a real sense has a kind of by and large all-out market cap of $72,148,766 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $605,899 incredibly in an unpretentious manner. This essentially makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, kind of exceptionally positioning at 348 in the cryptographic money market, or so they explicitly thought, or so they by and large thought. In the event that you generally most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of fundamentally is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO basically in a real sense be by and large lovely worth in 2023, in a sort of kind of huge manner in a significant manner? Is Star Atlas DAO an entirely all goals and purposes wise speculation or essentially extremely worth purchasing in 2023? Which in every way that really matters is very huge, which fundamentally is very critical. Will Polis cost for the most part generally outperform its untouched pretty extremely high in a sort of beautiful significant manner, which especially is genuinely critical? These explicitly essentially are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's S future, exhibiting how sort of in a real sense is Star Atlas DAO, an especially very wise speculation or reasonably truly worth purchasing in 2023. Truly sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation 2023, as per the Star Atlas DAO Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the Polis cost certainly truly is supposed to in every practical sense, generally cross an especially essentially normal value level of $0.3272. The normal vary of least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the by and large kind of current year ought to truly be $0.3152, fundamentally for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking in a by and large enormous manner. Besides, Polis can vary arrive at a quite most extreme value level of $0.3393, which sort of really is genuinely critical, which by and large is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation November 2023. The cost for Star Atlas DAO in November 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.2846 and $0.3236, or so they especially generally thought in a fundamentally huge manner. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to generally sort of be around $0.3146, showing how might Polis cost actually really outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they explicitly sort of thought in an unpretentious manner. Polis value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO certainly explicitly is gauged to generally for the most part be at around a fundamentally really least worth of $0.3152, or so they in every practical sense thought, so this especially makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, kind of positioning at 348 in the digital money market, or so they explicitly thought. Which essentially is genuinely huge. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can fundamentally in every way that really matters arrive at a very lovely limit of $0.3393, with the entirely of normal exchanging worth of $0.3272 in United States dollars in a decently in every practical sense huge way, which certainly is very critical. Star Atlas DAO reasonably kind of past value examination in the very all expectations and purposes recent hours, the crypto basically truly has been fundamentally diminished by 1.83% in its decently in every way that really matters current worth in an unobtrusive way, which for the most part is very critical. Assuming we in a real sense generally look at the very especially current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap all things considered generally is likewise down, which truly is genuinely critical in a sort of significant manner. Star Atlas DAO actually certainly is confronting in every practical sense, essentially tough time jumping aboard with actually fundamentally other crypto coins, which sort of is genuinely huge, showing that Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation November 2023. The cost for Star Atlas DAO in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.2846 and $0.3236. Or so they especially for the most part thought in a really significant manner. The Polis in a real sense truly is down to nearly 14.85% in the very by and large most recent 7 days, which entirely shows that assuming we explicitly truly look at the kind of genuinely current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can in every way that really matters. In a real sense see that the market cap basically truly is likewise down, which in every practical sense basically is genuinely huge, which basically is very critical. The coin explicitly for the most part is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for certainly beautiful past extremely couple of days. The coin could basically have reasonably kind of solid essentials, however, we don't imagine that it would a productive resource in fundamentally lovely present moment, which entirely is very critical, or so they basically thought. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the in every practical sense, really current cost with sort of beautiful beyond 30 days cost history, it especially truly is seen that Star Atlas DAO especially explicitly has expanded 17.259% in its worth in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. The sort of commonly normal especially in every practical sense, least cost for the month generally is $0.2320, while actually especially most extreme certainly normal cost, especially sort of was $0.2530, which sort of by and large is very critical in a genuinely significant manner. This suggests that this coin truly sort of is a reasonable resource and another expansion to decently certainly your arrangement of coins for entirely long haul, so in addition Polis can actually for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense, lovely greatest value level of $0.3393 in a by and large significant manner. Which especially shows that while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to generally in every practical sense be around $0.3146, exhibiting how might Polis cost actually for the most part outperform its record-breaking high, or so they explicitly generally thought in a very significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value figure 2023 facts. What will sort of basically be Star Atlas DAO actually especially worth in 2023, which basically in every way that really matters is very critical, which certainly is very huge. The Polis cost in every practical sense is estimated to in a real sense arrive at a pretty fundamentally most extreme degree of $0.3393, with actually genuinely least cost of $0.3152 toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star's Atlas DAO by and large basically have a future, actually genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking, showing that Polis basically by and large has a kind of especially complete market cap of $72,148,766, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $605,899 in an especially huge manner in an especially enormous manner. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO quite has a remarkable entirely of potential to actually fundamentally arrive at new levels, showing how besides Polis can generally essentially arrive at an actually by and large most extreme value